Here we got a 2002 Pontiac Firebird, and as you can see, I've already got the driver's seat out, and we'll be going over a common problem with a lot of different cars where the foam just gives way over years. So stay tuned. I went ahead and sprayed glue on all the pieces of foam that I'm going to try to work on, and then while I was waiting on that to set, I'm going to go ahead and start repairing a little bit over here with these springs. This is just old scrap that I got laying around, and make sure they don't come through there. This beat from sinking down between the edge of the seat frame itself, kind of. I'll stretch this over a little bit. Go that way. Right here. You can see right here where the springs were just cutting through down in it like a cheese grater. So I went ahead and sprayed all the way inside of all the cracks, so I can kind of just go like this. And then sunbrella canvas. Just going to glue it all the way down here, just like so. Right here, it's important to try to get down inside of this little channel, because that's another spot where everything kind of starts to split. Now, if you got a steamer, now's a good time to go ahead and steam the top section of it, and I'll let it fluff back out. And if you don't have one, cotton will do a good little job of helping fluff out some spots on you. That's what I end up doing sometimes. There you go. No more sinking down inside of the seat frame.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more transformations. See you next time on that.